Welcome to this channel where we unlock travel benefits so you can join us. We go over these 7 steps to make sure you know exactly how to use your credit card for free flights and travel perks. Let's get started. Let's kick it off with a cold open here. This is how you can travel for free and stay for number 7, because I'm going to share the number 1 mistake that most people make when they try to do this. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So this is a quick montage of some of the most iconic places in the world. The Eiffel Tower, the Great Wall of China, Santorini, the NYC skyline. All these places you may want to visit, and what if I told you your next vacation could be free? Flights, hotels, even airport lounge access. All thanks to the card already in your wallet. And before we dive in, hit that like button and comment your dream destination. Might show you exactly how to get there for free in a future video. So you're probably wondering, who am I? A few years ago, I took my first free trip using points and miles, and since then I've been hooked. And I've spent the last decade scouring the internet, finding loopholes, exploiting offers, and becoming a bit of a travel hacker. I've racked up over 5 million points and miles and redeemed them for well over $1 million in value. And I want to help you do the same thing. Stay with me because I'm breaking down the exact steps to turn everyday spending into unforgettable travel experiences. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to pick the right card, earn points fast, and redeem them for maximum value. Alright, let's dive into step number 1. So there are 2 main types of travel rewards. Number 1 is points or miles. Generally speaking, these are tied to airline or hotel loyalty programs and are a great option if you're a frequent flyer or someone who likes to stay at a particular hotel chain. The second type of reward is cashback, converted to travel credits. My favorite ones to use are Chase Ultimate Rewards, Amex membership rewards, and Capital One miles. With these, you can redeem your rewards for gift cards to various travel providers or transfer them to different airline and hotel partners, which I'll touch on later. Here's a quick visual to show you how it works. Using your credit card to earn points, watching those points add up, then redeeming them for plane tickets and hotel stays. Pretty simple, right? Let's move on to step number 2, choosing the right card. There are hundreds of credit cards out there offering travel rewards, so picking the right one can be tough. Consider these factors when making your choice. Number 1 is the sign-up bonus. Many cards offer a big bonus when you sign up and spend a certain amount in the first few months. Number 2 is earning categories. Some cards offer more rewards for specific types of spending like dining, travel, and groceries. Number 3 is the annual fee. While some travel cards have no annual fee, others charge a fee, but also offer additional perks, such as airport lounge access or a discounted resort fee in Las Vegas. Number 4 is transfer partners. Some cards have stronger transfer partners, meaning your points go further and are worth more. Here's a quick pro tip. If you travel internationally, look for cards with no foreign transaction fees. Now here's a quick side-by-side comparison of 2 of the top travel cards. The first is the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Great for beginners with a 60,000 point sign-up bonus and a $95 annual fee. The second is the Capital One Venture X card. Great for travelers with a large 75,000 point sign-up bonus and a $395 annual fee, but with many more perks. This will depend on your spending habits and travel plans. For example, if you dine out a lot, the Capital One Saver card with a 100,000 point sign-up bonus and a $0 annual fee would be a good choice because it earns 10% cash back on popular restaurants. Alright, moving on to step number 3, maximizing points earning. The key is to put all your everyday spending on your chosen card. But here are 3 strategies to earn even more. First, use the right card for the right category. For example, a grocery store may not offer a rewards program, so you'd use your card that earns 3% cash back on all other purchases. Second, pay bills through portals that accept credit cards. Many online services allow you to pay your bills with a credit card, helping you earn rewards on expenses you'd normally pay with a debit card or bank account. Third, stack rewards with shopping portals and dining programs. Websites and apps offer cash back on top of any rewards earned from your credit card. By stacking these rewards, you can maximize your earnings on every dollar you spend. For example, let's say you have $1,000 in monthly expenses. If you were to put that entire amount on a card that earns 2 points per dollar, you'd earn 2,000 points per month. In just 6 months, you could have enough points for a free domestic flight. But remember, these points don't expire for several years, so you can take your time and save up for an even better redemption. That brings us to step number 4, redeeming for maximum value. You may be tempted to book travel through rewards portals, but transferring your points to a partner often provides more value. Let me show you a real example. On a rewards portal, 50,000 points are needed for a $500 flight. But if you were to transfer those same points to a travel partner, you could book the same flight for just 35,000 points. That's a savings of 15,000 points or 30% off. Keep in mind that some airlines and hotels have sweet spots where fewer points are needed during off-peak travel times or for business class upgrades. Also consider the 5th night free hotel deals, which allow you to book 4 nights and get the 5th night free when paying with points. These are great ways to stretch your points further and enhance your travel experience. Step number 5. Hidden perks most people miss. One of the best perks is airport lounge access, which means free food and drinks before your flight. Free checked bags and priority boarding can also save you money and time. Additionally, consider the value of travel insurance, trip delay coverage, and rental car insurance. Last but not least, don't overlook TSA PreCheck or global entry credits, which can save you time and hassle when traveling. That takes us to step number 6, common mistakes to avoid. Number 1 is carrying a balance. Don't fall into the trap of carrying a balance on your credit card. It can negate all the benefits of the rewards program. Number 2 is missing minimum spend deadlines. Some cards require you to spend a certain amount within the first few months to receive the sign-up bonus. Be sure to plan accordingly and meet the minimum spend requirement. Number 3 is letting points expire. Many travel rewards have expiration dates. Check your card's terms and conditions and use your points before they expire. Otherwise, all your hard-earned rewards will be wasted. Number 4 is applying for too many cards too quickly. Applying for too many cards in a short period of time can hurt your credit score. Space out your applications and only apply for cards that you intend to use. Finally, step number 7, a quick start action plan. This is how you're going to get started. Pick one travel goal. Think about where you want to go and when you want to go there. So for example, it could be a trip to Hawaii in June. Choose the best card for that goal. Look for a card that offers good value for the type of travel you plan to do. For example, if you're flying to Hawaii, find a card that has strong airline transfer partners that fly to Hawaii. Map out your spending to hit the sign-up bonus. Determine how much you need to spend to earn the sign-up bonus and create a plan to meet that minimum spend. For example, if you need to spend $4,000 in the first 3 months, figure out how you're going to do that. Maybe you can charge all your regular expenses to the card. Ask friends or family if they can help you meet the minimum spend. And if you're comfortable doing so, you can also P2P or person-to-person transfer yourself from another card. You can also do this by depositing to your bank account and then transferring that money over to the card you retrying. Track your points and redemption options monthly. Keep track of how many points you have and the different redemption options available to you. For example, check to see if your points can be transferred to an airline or hotel partner, or if there are any good redemption options on the rewards portal. Hey guys, welcome back. Remember at the beginning of the video when I said there was one mistake most people make when trying to do this? Is that you're not subscribed yet? Make sure you click that button so you're notified the second my next video comes out. So if you made it this far, congrats, because now you know how to pick the right card, earn points faster, and redeem them for maximum value. But my next video is going to reveal the 3 fastest ways to earn 100,000 points without spending more than you already do. So if you're ready to start your free travel journey, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Oh yeah, and don't forget to follow us on social media. Your dream trip is closer than you think. Start unlocking those travel benefits today.